Hey, Grandma. Wave hi. Wave hi. No, hi to the camera, my camera. That's Grandpa and Katie. Could have been looking mighty fine tonight. Oh yeah. And we are going to Jimmy's.
Oh, hey. First time I'm going to a beach.
And it's going to be your debut first YouTube video.
It is?
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Anyway, I'm done.
Anyways, we are going to Jimmy's. You'll see. But welcome to join the Jimmy's. Look at this. Oh, look, Jimmy's. Yep. Okay. We're here. Jimmy's. Holy crap. Okay. Say bye-bye, kitty.
You were going down to the water.
Yeah, we are going to go down to the water. How do you know this?
How do I know what?
That it's all on the right side.
Looks like this here on my ass?
Oh. Just asking. Official.
Can I wear my shoes here?
Yeah. Look, there's seaweed! And someone's shirt, I think.
I want to get your picture.
I was gonna say, you best not be dropping my phone in there. Hello, chocolate stir.
I'm at beach.
You at the beach? You wanna step in the water?
I do.
It's gonna be cold. Oh my god. This is a new experience for Katie. Katie, look all this. Don't go all the way out there.
Talk about it.
Well, for me it's cold.
On your phone,
I'll take a picture on this.